What's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today we are going to extract some exhaust studs, but without an extractor. Let's do it.
I've waited for you to come. I've been here all along. Now that you've arrived, please stay a while. And I promise I won't keep you long. I'll keep you forever.
All right, welcome back. As I said, we're gonna extract some exhaust studs without an extractor. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to do that using a couple of nuts. I don't own a stud extractor, never have. Always done it this way. However, at the end of this video, I'm probably gonna order one. I've been doing quite a few of these. This is a Sonata engine. I'll show you what's going on, but basically we gotta take this off. I have to extract a stud and we have to put it in on the new engine, and then we have to extract a bunch of studs and replace them, put them into the different stud holes in the new block. Basically the way this comes, it's a kind of multi-fit engine, I guess. They make this engine for a couple of different vehicles, but when they do it, they put the exhaust studs in these weird orders, and some of them just don't fit. So you can see here we have a hole here and a hole here. Well, on the block they have, on the new block, they have the studs in the wrong holes, so I have to extract them and then put them in again, install them. So uninstall them and install them. First off, I got to take off the exhaust manifold. I'm going to quickly do that. Let's do it. All right, so in taking off the exhaust manifold, this happens quite often, but the stud came out with the nut, so that's not a problem. We can deal with that. So I don't have to extract anything from this engine. I'm still going to show you how to do it, so let's do it. All right, so this stud here has to actually go up here, so I'm going to use the new stud. I'm not going to worry about reusing the old one right now. So what we do, two nuts. I prefer the ones with the serrated, I guess, lock washer built into it, if you guys can see that. I use two of them. You put one on backwards, thread that down a little ways, and then thread the other one the opposing direction. So the head size of the nuts are 14 millimeter, so we need to tighten these up. The reason why I use the lock type washer is so that they actually bite into each other, and it's easier to do this. So you can actually kind of hear them clicking as they're kind of locking together. All right, and now you should just be able to loosen this off. And then all you do is you put it into the hole you need it, and you just reverse direction. Install your new stud, and just like putting it on, you can take it off. there you have it, all done. All right guys, I'm going to show you guys one more time. I have to take this one and put it up here. So I'm going to try and get it as close as I can for you guys to see it. So both nuts, opposing directions. You can actually kind of see and feel the teeth bite in. And then extract. Now these ones, because it's a brand new block, it's pretty, they came out really easy. So that's cool. We're gonna take this, we're gonna put it up top. Tighten this one up again, this time with a wrench instead of my ratchet. Good to go. All right guys, that's pretty much all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video extracting studs without a stud extractor using a couple of nuts. I will tell you this though, I am ordering a stud extractor. I do way too many of these engines and I'm gonna save myself a lot of time now. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.